Here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T8, and let me show you how to activate battery percentage and status bar on the following device. So at first, just take a quick look at the upper bar. As you can see, you are not able to detect the current battery level, but if you want to know the exact battery percentage, just open the settings, now locate and open battery, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on battery percentage. And as you can see, you can activate it either next to the battery icon, just up here to activate it, or you can have it in the battery icon. Let me go back here and click inside, and it's actually up to you. I do prefer next to the battery icon, it's more visible, and I will leave it this way. So this is it. This is how you can activate this super useful feature, which is battery percentage and status bar. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.